What's up? If you are looking for an alternative body camera, well, I am going to unbox a 2-in-1 device, a sunglass with built-in camera. So this video is about unboxing, familiarity of the buttons, how to change the time and date settings, video and photo samples, and battery check. By the way, I purchased this on TEMU. It's a bit expensive, the price range is more or less 60 euro. But don't worry if you're a premium user of TEMU, they are offering discount and cashback so you can save better. This device doesn't have Bluetooth functions nor has speakers or can answer calls. It is just a camera and sunglass. So this is Sport 4K sunglass camera. Watch till the end as we check if this has really 4K video footage. Inside the box is this hard shell case for sunglass. Still using normal micro USB charging cable, in my own opinion, it is better if they uses Type-C charging cable instead, because plugging in is not an issue at all. It is really hard enough to protect the sunglass. You may clip on your bag, but for me I don't recommend because sometimes it will accidentally hit on hard objects and might fall without knowing. I guess this can be inserted in the belt. So inside this hard shell case is the sunglass, but let's check it later. Of course, microfiber cleaning cloth should be included in sunglasses. And then this user manual. And of course the sunglass, though it's a bit bulkier, made of plastic coated with matte finish, I guess. Well, all I can say, it is great. Price is worth it for the build quality. I'm just wondering about the camera. This is not a speaker. I guess this is designed for battery ventilation and vibration functions. So if the camera crashes or something happens with the device, you have the reset button, and besides of it is the light indicator for charging. Underneath is the charging port, the SD card slot, and the video and photo switch button. And this is the charging port. I purchased this together with 64 GB SD card, of course with additional price on it, and the device supports maximum of 128 GB SD card. And this video and photo button, just slide on it which action you want to take. Later I will show how to do it. And if you notice those dots on the upper portion, that's a light indicator as well, but only one dot is working. So the camera is positioned on the upper part of the nose bridge. And for the video, this can capture 30 frames per second on a MP4 format. And for taking photos, the format is JPG with the size of 19 by 6. To turn on, hold and press this power button till you will feel the vibration, and the blue light indicator will appear. For taking video, this is how to do it. Slide this button underneath going to the video sign picture. You will notice the picture sign printed on the side of the arm. Then do short press the power button till you will feel the vibration functions. And not only that, you will notice the blue light indicator is flashing, means the video is starting. When you take photos, slides this button going to photo sign picture, then to capture click the power button as a shutter. Every time you click the button, the light indicator will blink. Aside from that, you will feel also the vibration, which is really an excellent features. To turn off, hold and press the power button, then it will vibrate and the blue light is off. A reminder, if you wanted to keep this device in the case, make it sure the left arm must be close first, then follow the right arm. Because if you take the right arm first, then that will automatically turn on. You will just be surprised that you run out of battery already. Check this if you take the right arm first. As you can see, the left arm can press the power button when it is too close. Then expect it will turn on. So check that always, as I made the same mistakes always. Check this video sample. The clarity of the video is okay, but it compromises in low light conditions and the lacking of video stabilization. I have noticed that the date was being displayed in my video wasn't the same as the current date that I take this video. So for better accuracy of the video time and date settings, this is how to do it. In order for you to update the date and time settings, you need a laptop or desktop computer. Open the drive of the device. You will notice the file name The Time. Click that, and you will see the date and time settings. You need to put the cursor each numbers and change according to the manual date and time format. And for the letter Y, you have an option if you wanted to display the time in your video. If you wanted, then put letter Y means yes, and if you don't like, then put letter N means it's no. And then the last number, it's your options, how many minutes the video captures will save automatically. You have 1 to 6 minutes options. Then after you change the date and time, click File, then click Save Us. Replace the previous date has been saved. Now you're ready to a current date and time settings. And these are the photo samples. There's no zoom in function, and even if I take pictures near it is washout. Details of the picture not that great. In the manual, it doesn't indicate how much the battery capacity has, but on TEMU page it says it has 800 mAh battery capacity, so let's check it. Just a disclaimer, if my reading test was wrong, please comment down below. In charging time, the red light indicator is on. The moment it was plugged in, then it will automatically power on, so better turn it off. Let the red light indicator for charging is working. Guys, I've tried continuously using the video function for almost 30 minutes, and I've noticed the battery getting hot, so better try to turn off every 30 minutes so that the battery will not get damaged anyway. Well, in taking videos, it take almost 2 hours in my test. Make it sure to keep the device rest for every 30 minutes though, to avoid getting more hotter. So when the battery is full, the red light indicator is no longer present. And the reading test was 753 mAh. Indeed, it has 800 mAh battery capacity. In my opinion, this is a better option for body camera, but for content creators, well, I don't recommend it. If you reached till this video, thank you so much. Your comments is highly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well.